Have a check you need to deposit into your Schwab account without visiting a branch. If you haven't tried mobile deposit, you're missing a huge convenience. Today, we're enabling and using mobile check deposit at Schwab. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Let's break it down. Schwab's mobile app lets you deposit checks by taking pictures with your smartphone, saving you time and trips. Step 1. Download and log into the Schwab mobile app. If you haven't already, download the Schwab mobile app from your app store. Log in with the same credentials as your web account. Step 2. Find the deposit feature. Tap the menu icon and look for Deposit Check. Select which Schwab account you want to deposit into, enter the amount, and take clear photos of the front and back of the endorsed check. And that leads to my crucial pro tip. Endorse with "for mobile deposit at Schwab only." Before photographing, sign the back of your check and write "for mobile deposit at Schwab only" underneath your signature. This protects you if the check is lost or stolen after you deposit it. So, just like that, you can deposit checks from anywhere with an internet connection. Mobile deposit goes a long way in modernizing your banking experience. Now I'm curious, what's the largest check you've ever deposited via mobile app? Were there any hold periods? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments, and subscribe for more clear-cut guides like this one. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.